Hey everyone, welcome to episode 24 of Self-Sufficient Stories. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, my brother's going to be building his firewood shed, and we'll have some fun on the zero turn. Look at that pose right there. That's the lazy man hold. Also, I have no idea what's going on with my hair. I look like the berries and cream leprechaun from the Starburst commercial. Gosh. Anyway, ignore my bad hair and focus on how cool this firewood shed is, because it is built out of 95% reclaimed or recycled materials. If you remember back in episode 21, I showed you guys us picking up all the materials that Billy had set aside from old job sites that he had worked on, and now he's getting to use some of those. This was actually from a deck that they demoed, and he kept some of it. So this ledger board that he's putting in right now is from an old deck job.
Oh, sure, really? Too much water when I do cement.
Yeah. That's almost in it.
Hand digging these footings is no small feat. It is very labor intensive and it sucks. Billy finished the woodshed. Unfortunately, I was not around to film it when he got it done, but all of the lumber that was used was reclaimed. The only things he had to buy were the concrete, some brackets, and the roof material. Now it's time to fill the woodshed with firewood. This has been curing for, I want to say, a good year, and I believe this is ash. Let's get to stacking.
Encouraging men, like, don't do this alone. I know we're all about, like, trying to become self-sufficient, but he was like, there's really no such thing as self-sufficiency. We should have, when times really get hard, you need a community around you. And he said, he was like, I know that if I break my back or get injured or whatever, my wife and kids can't sustain this whole thing without me. I need to know that my neighbor and my brother and my friend are going to be able to come and pitch in.
Yeah.
You know? Anyway, and he threw out some little practical things that were cool, but just encouraging guys, like, get it close to a community around you.
Yeah.
You know? People you can trust when times really get hard. So it's hard to get burning well. Once you have a really good bed of coals, it'll burn. I don't know, you think we should? We might lose some of this.
That's true. Yeah, let's.
Especially going over this crazy terrain. That's good. Yeah, you can come right in. I'll probably come in this bay here. We only have 3 face cords. We're probably not even going to go all the way. I'm going to leave this open to get a little more air. So yeah, we'll just start stacking this next row right here. I'm standing center. Straight back. This way a little. Alright, straight back. Keep it coming. Hold on. Okay. Go, go, go. Nice. Straight back. Keep coming. Yeah, there's room. Yeah, you can come back a little further. Alright. Nice. Trailer pro over here.
We got that first trailer load all stacked, and this is the second and final load. Adeline came out to join us for the second haul of firewood, and she had a blast. She just got a huge kick out of us throwing all the wood into the trailer and decided to chime in and help, which is great because we love teaching her how to be self-sufficient even at a young age. It's important to teach them to do anything that they can do on their own. I encourage them to do that.
Got a couple pieces here. Want to throw these in? Stand up, and then we're gonna get your little foot out. It's okay. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't lose that video. There it is. Good job.
One of the fun benefits of owning a small lawn maintenance company is getting to turn your zero turn into a small tractor ride. And I want to take a moment just to address the dads here and say you are crucially needed in this cultural moment. Now is the time to embrace the traditional family role and reject progressivism. Only dads can dad and moms can mom. And invest in your family first, because around the dinner table, is where real revolution happens.
Ready? This is how we learn the alphabet. A,
B,
C,
D.